Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss some question answers from our second chapter. Is matter around us pure? Our first question is, how do you confirm that a colorless liquid given to you is pure water? We know that water has the boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius, and if the colorless liquid boils at 100 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure, then we can confirm that it is water. This is because pure substances have fixed melting and boiling point. And our second question is, which of the following minerals fall in the category of a pure substance? Ice, milk, iron, hydrochloric acid, calcium oxide, mercury, blacking, wood, air. Which of the following are pure substances? Ice is a pure substance. Milk is a mixture, right? Iron, pure substance. Hydrochloric acid, pure substance. Calcium oxide, pure substance. Mercury, pure substance. Black ink, a mixture. Wood, a mixture. Air, a mixture. So which of the following are pure substances? Ice, iron, hydrochloric acid, calcium oxide, and mercury, right? These substances consist of only one type of particles. That's why they are called pure substances. Now let's move on to our third question. Question number 3. Which of the following will show Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect. And A. Salt solution. B. Milk. C. Copper sulfate solution. D. Starch. What is Tyndall effect? When light passes through a solution, if it makes the path visible. If the solution makes the path of the light visible, then it is called Tyndall effect, right? How does it happen? Because the light is getting collided with the particles present in the solution and gets scattered. And if the light gets scattered, we can show the path of light, and it is called Tyndall effect, right? Now, which of these following will show Tyndall effect? Salt solution is a true solution, right? It will not show Tyndall effect. The light will not get collided with the particles because salt will be too smaller in size. Milk shows Tyndall effect. Copper sulfate solution, it's a true solution, so it will not show Tyndall effect. Starch solution, it's a colloid, right? Shows Tyndall effect. So milk and starch solution, both of them are colloids, so that they show Tyndall effect. Fourth question, what is tincture of iodine? A mixture of iodine and alcohol, or a solution of alcohol and iodine, is known as tincture of iodine, and it has iodine as solute and alcohol as the solvent. A mixture in which iodine is dissolved in alcohol is called as tincture of iodine. Okay, we'll move on to our next question. Our fifth question is, give the applications of chromatography. We know what is chromatography, right? The process chromatography can be used to separate different dyes present in blacking, right? The similar technique, chromatography, can be used to separate different colors in a dye. It can be used to separate pigments present in natural colors and to separate drugs from blood. Sixth question, how will you separate a mixture of oil and water? We know both these liquids are immiscible to each other, right? They are immiscible liquids. So how can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids? The process separating funnel can be used, right? So we have to add both these liquids into separating funnel, and definitely they will form two layers, right? And the top layer will be oil and the bottom layer will be water. So if you open the stopcock, the bottom layer, that is water, will come down and the top layer remains in the separate. Our next question: if 20 gram of salt is present in 220 gram of solution, calculate the concentration of solution. We had already studied the equation for calculating the concentration of solution. It can be calculated either by mass equation or by mass by volume equation, right? Here mass by mass concentration can be calculated because mass of the solute and the solution is given. The concentration of the solution is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution. That means mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent into 100. Mass of the solute is 20 and mass of the solution is 220, right? So 20 divided by 220 into 100 is equal to 9.09 percentage. That's the mass by mass percentage of the solution in which 20 gram of salt is dissolved in 220 gram of the solution.